हाय, वेलकम टू कैंपस अपडेट्स। सो आज हमारे साथ हैं ओम, जो कि प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर है प्रेस्टीज के। हाय ओम, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ सर, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन। सो टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अभी तक जब आपने ज्वाइन किया था प्रेस्टीज? तब कैसा, एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या थी आपकी, और अब आपकी रियलिटी में आप क्या फेस कर रहे हो, क्या देख रहे हो, आपकी रियलिटी पूरी कंप्लीट हुई है?
ओके, सो बेसिकली सर व्हेन आई जॉइन प्रेस्टीज, तो जो मैंने बाहर से सुना था कि इट इज़ अ गुड क्राउड, बहुत अच्छे इवेंट्स होते हैं, तो व्हाट द सिनेरियो आई हैड इन माय माइंड वाज कि हाँ, अच्छा कॉलेज है, जो मैंने मूवीज़ में देखा है वैसा कॉलेज है, बिल्कुल इट विल बी फन। बट व्हेन आई वेंट इनसाइड द कॉलेज एंड आई वाज थ्रू द वीक of the college, and I realized कि it is not just about the events. That is the part which people talk about. But उसमें industrial exposures, the sessions for like industry experts आते हैं. And everything else is so good. Faculties are so they are so good. Not faculties, they are mentors basically. You can reach out to them anytime. And basically मेरा पहला जो year था was not that. मतलब I used to be very silent and shy. I never used to like raise my hands and speak in the crowd. But now after 3 years, you can see me here. I'm sitting here in a podcast with you in front of a camera. I'm speaking, so you can see the difference.
Okay.
How I came and how I have become now.
ओके, सो मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ों में हमने चेंजेस देखे हैं, आपने खुद
Correct.
ने अपने अंदर चेंजेस देखे हैं। इसके साथ अगर हम ये देखें कि कैंपस का एटमॉस्फेयर कैसा है, मतलब कॉम्पिटिटिव ज़्यादा है कि चिल है,
Okay.
या नॉर्मल
So
है, मिक्स है?
it is not a cutthroat competition, but it is like a good positive competition. कि they are not like कि I will go ahead. I will not make other people go ahead who are with me. They are more like कि I'll also go ahead and I'll take you with me as well. They are like the competition is good, but it is a positive competition. Like
ओके, नॉट अ नेगेटिव।
not a negative competition.
ओके, सो मतलब क्या चीज़ें फेस कर रहे हैं आजकल जो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख रहे हो मोस्टली, क्योंकि आप प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर हो,
Okay.
तो मतलब क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करना पड़ रहे हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट?
As a student, the students are not sure what they have to do right now.
ओके,
They are like, should I take a placement, or should I go for like further studies, or should I like take a gap year? So उसमें बच्चों का बहुत टाइम जा रहा है, and then when you sit in a place and you basically, आपके मेरे साथ भी होता होगा कि अगर हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो हमको भी एक मेंटल सेटबैक हो जाता है कि यार I don't know what I'm doing in life. But according to me, you should think about it, but you should not take as a setback. You should keep on doing hustle. You should never stop. Like अगर आपका placement है, ठीक है, according to me, you should go with the flow. If you have a plan, follow it. If you don't have a plan, you are exploring. What most of the Gen Z crowd, I come from Gen Z crowd, so we like to explore. So if you want to explore, just take the pace. I'll explore till this extent, and then I'll do what is best for me.
ओके,
And students who come to me usually during the placement seasons, like I am the UG campus, so they have the very higher expectations that I have done BBA, I have done this internship, and now I at least want this much package, which is not possible because we have saturation in the market. Like these in these past 2-3 years, we have very great saturation in the market, and we cannot get good packages right now. And also, but whatever I have, like people tend to feel depressed about it. Yeah, I've done BBA, now I have like 4 LPA.
व्हाट विल आई डू?
What will I do now? The ROI is 1.5 year or 2 years basically. But I don't think that they should take that as a negative part, because nothing comes before experience. You have been in the industry for a very long
Obviously.
time. You know the experience matters. Nobody is no employer wants a degree. They want experience. So according to me, they should be more mentally prepared, and they should go for more experiential learnings like internships and anything else.
और आप क्या मतलब ऐसा देखते हो कि प्रेस्टीज के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स आफ्टर द ग्रेजुएशन, मतलब आपके सीनियर्स भी होंगे जिनसे आपने इंटरेक्ट किया होगा, तो वो क्या करना चाहते हैं? वो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करना चाहते हैं, या वो बिजनेस सेटल करना चाहते हैं, या वो जॉब की तरफ जाना चाहते हैं?
So sir, in Prestige, like I don't know about other campuses, but in the UG campus, what we have is very like mixed crowd. There are people जिनके खुद के family businesses हैं, and they want to focus it in because they are well settled in that.
Yeah.
And I have some crowd which is totally focused on placements.
Okay.
But the major part, that is 40%. The 60% is for studies. They will go for MBA either in the 50%, like in that 60%, they are 50-50. Some will go, 50% will go for abroad, and 50% will go for domestic. So the more students who are more tend towards are for MBA, I guess. Placements, they according to them, they have stereotype that placement should be only taken after MBA. So that is there, but yeah, MBA is the major part which people do.
Okay. So अगर ऐसा कहें कि उनको थोड़ा सा fear है कि वो अगर business open करेंगे, they are not be settled down.
So in that, sir, there are like I am currently pursuing as well from Prestige. So I have friends who want to like start business. They have very great ideas, but they don't have the pipeline to how to start the business.
Okay.
And for that, in Prestige, we have introduced a subject as an entrepreneurship ideas. So what we have mentors and we have subject teachers who will they teach you how to start a business, what problems do you face in the business, and what will you do in the business. And yeah, totally they have a lot of fear inside them. Ki what if it fails? Because we live in Indore, right? And we have seen businesses starting every day in every corner, and after 1 month they're gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, they have fear, but yeah, we are doing we have expert sessions and everything else as well.
Tell me that कि जो प्रेस्टीज के बारे में बताइए कि प्रेस्टीज क्या ऐसा कर रहा है जो जिसके अंदर स्टार्टअप्स के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प मिल रही है जो स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा कर नहीं पा रहे हैं, मतलब जिनको जॉब नहीं करना है और जिनको बिजनेस ही करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या प्रेस्टीज ने किया है?
तो बेसिकली सर, स्टार्टअप इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू डू. People take that as a very easy thing right these days कि startup कर लेते हैं, we'll start something of our own. But it has to be foolproof with plans and plan B as well. So what we do is we take the sessions over we give the expert sessions to the students.
Okay.
And in that we invite not the industrial expert or some lecture guest. We'll invite the people who have already gone through the whole process. So recently, like I guess 2 or 3 weeks back, there's this place in the hub in Indore, Ice Kitchen.
Okay.
So the owner of that restaurant is basically a 65 years old lady, and her son, and he is a techie from Bangalore. So he had a full-proof job in Bangalore, but during COVID they started the job. He quitted the job, sorry. And he came back to Indore, and her first order was how they started was the first order was कि in COVID somebody ordered कि मैम मेरे को egg curry खानी है. So she was like कि ठीक है मैं बना दूंगी, and she cooked and gave the meal. And after that the orders kept coming on in the COVID time. building के लोग कि हाँ बहुत she told us कि it is very tasty, can you make it for us as well.
Okay.
And after that, when the COVID ended, they expanded the business, and now they have a full restaurant in the hub, one of the most expensive places to be in Indore right now, I guess. And they are competing because everywhere, to the left of their restaurant and the right of the building, they have restaurants, but still they are in the competition. So we have invited them for what is the pros and what is the cons, and how you started, what problems did you face in the starting. And when she came, this LPG thing was going on.
Yeah.
So she told us about that also कि अभी जब LPG cut down हो गया है, तो what I'm doing right now to sustain myself. So we are giving the full experience, hands-on experience, experience learning to the students. कि if you start, be ready for these things, and what you will get if you are ready for these things.
And what about the practical learning?
Practical learning, we have classroom subjects as well. Recently, 2 years back, we introduced entrepreneurship as a core subject for the students of all the BBA classes. And in that, we give the subjective learning of how the process should be, and what the pros and cons of the entrepreneur is, and what is the difference between entrepreneur and manager, like that.
Yeah.
So we give the hands-on experience by the guest lecturers, and we give the expert textbook knowledge as well.
Okay. Om, tell me honestly the placement reality of Prestige, and what is the average packages, and what are the companies, and it's local company or MNCs?
So basically, after the graduation, the average package is somewhere around 4.5 to 5 lakh rupees, and
Okay.
after PG, the package goes up to like from 10 to 13 lakh rupees. It varies according to the specialization of the program.
Okay.
And we have so many MNCs coming up for that.
Okay.
And we have MRF Tires. In first time they hired in Central India, and we have Godrej and Boys coming for us. The on-campus placements, we have Federal Bank
Okay.
and Tres Vista, ICICI Prudential, like so many MNCs. Though we have local companies as well, because the local companies are not just the local companies. Those are our
They are
alumni.
SMEs.
They are our alumni.
Okay.
So the startups you were talking to me about, the entrepreneurship. So they have that startup now. It is a foolproof business, and they come to us for hiring. Like I want
Okay.
like placements from the campus, and they match the offer which the MNCs are doing. So like we have those
That's
backups
great.
as well. Like our alumnus is very good, and after that, the reason why we have good packages is because we have mandatory SIP and WIP. Like, it is a summer internship program and winter internship program. So in SIP, you have to do the internship for a selected period of time, like for minimum 45 to 60 days.
Okay.
That too in private limited company, not in some businesses.
Okay.
Like,
Some
you
in
should
random
learn.
company.
Yeah, you should learn. You should learn what the corporate world, how it works like. So my experience, I got placed in SIP. I was placed in GW Marriott, and I worked as a banquet manager intern. I was working under the manager, so banquet manager intern. So I was doing sales, I was doing marketing, I was doing guest interactions, and I was also using the Oracle and everything else for quoting the customers. And I got hands-on experience with the manager. Like he used to take me everywhere with the clients, with the chefs, everybody else.
Hi guys, we have a very good conversation with Om Shukla. He's a placement coordinator at Prestige Indore, and we are talking about the insights of Prestige placements and the inside vibes. Thank you so much, Om, for this.
My pleasure, sir, and really it has been a really meaningful session, and we talked about so many things about career orientation and what a person should do. And also, you guys can surely follow campus updates, and they will be your help in throughout the process. And they are good with courses and everything else as well, and they gives you really good updates. Thank you so much.